You're involved in an accident that may involve some type of legal claim, you always want to timely report your accident to the party that may be ultimately responsible and report immediately for medical attention. This would include a workers' comp claim, an auto accident, or a slip and fall. When you're involved in a workers' compensation claim, you always want to immediately report your claim to a supervisor. It's very important that you notify a supervisor. If it's a motor vehicle accident, you always want to call the police and have them come do an accident reconstruction, talk to witnesses, and perform an accident report. If you slip and fall at a department store, you always want to notify the property owner and have them create an incident report as well. The other thing that's really important is that you immediately report for medical attention. So if it's a workers' compensation claim, you want to go to the company doctor. If it's a motor vehicle accident or a slip and fall, you want to go to your family doctor, an urgent care, or an emergency room. When you report for medical attention, you always want to tell them how you got hurt. So you would say, I got hurt in a motor vehicle accident, or I got hurt at work, and you always want to tell them what body parts were involved. The other thing that's very important is to leave some sort of paper trail of your accident. So when you notify your supervisor that you got hurt at work, you want to do an accident report, or you want to send them an email. The police accident report for a motor vehicle accident is sufficient. But the other thing is that you want to take photographs of anything that may be involved in the accident. So if you're involved in a motor vehicle accident, you would take photographs of the vehicles and that were involved and the intersection. Or if you slipped and fell on a wet floor at a department store, you want to take photographs of the wet floor and any signs that were around. So you want to timely report your injury, immediately report to medical attention, and document the injury.